Hello everyone, we are Info Legacy team. We explore various areas of technology, lifestyle, and economy. We are thankful for all your support to this channel and it means a lot for us. This video is for showing various ways you can use your old phones. We all love our cell phones. They have been around us since we know they exist for us. If we have to call out our best companion, then it is our cell phone. But as time goes by, they are outdated. They struggle with new applications, websites, and many services are not compatible with our old phone. However, these phones are still perfect to function normal activities. Here we will discuss 5 creative ways to use our old phones. Make sure you watch till the end so that you also find one interesting way to use your phone. One way of using your phone is to make it your assistant in the kitchen. A phone or tablet dedicated for your chores will always be useful to keep your work on the flow. You can quickly ask for a recipe and a cooking guide, get easily connected to someone in need, and most useful of all, make the phone your trainer with YouTube to make anything. With YouTube, you are ready to start your own cooking journey. You may want to use your old phone for kids to learn new things. Kids love mobile phones and so does the creators out there to keep them entertained. You can find many resources for keeping your kids engaged and help them learn. There are many games, apps, YouTube channels, and places to allow your kids to explore. In doing so, it is very important to check out the details on parental control options available for these old phones. Before handing your kids your old phone, do not forget to check all the parental controls and check if you are confident that the phone is good enough for your kid. A more financial sound idea for your old phone is to sell it and pass it to someone else. This way, you would not only give someone in need for a phone of value but also promote reuse. The earth can have benefits from your single behavior. Next use is a security feature. You may also want more security feature in your car. Why not use the old phones as dashcam? These phones' rear cameras are normally high definition camera. You may use it as a dashcam for security or use it to make videos for your journey. But old phones may not have battery with high endurance to record very long video. They perform however good enough for normal daily video. Next use is you can use your older phone as a reader. A benefit of keeping old phones not connected to internet is you have time. And this is dedicated time that you can use for yourself without any disturbance. This is how you can keep those pages turning over, keep yourself connected on reading. This is one of the approaches you can use to read more books in a year. Finally, one more interesting way to use your phone is to make it a high definition camera for web. SD cam will give you extra edge on live streaming, video publishing, or any sort of conference. There are various apps available online that allow you to convert your older phone into a webcam. I've tried to put some links in the description below. You can check it out. Think through. There are a lot of ways you can use your older phones, and this is a limited of them. Hope you like these tips on how to use your old phones. Thank you so much, and do not forget to keep supporting us. Do subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for future videos.